Today's recipe is pumpkin cream cheese muffins. Alright, we're going to start with some flour and some sugar, baking powder, some baking soda, some salt, and some pumpkin pie spice, and some cinnamon. And we're just going to whisk this up until this is all combined. Then we'll set this aside and we'll do our wet ingredients. So we'll take our pumpkin puree. Now make sure when you're buying this that it's pumpkin puree and not pumpkin pie filling. We'll add our egg and our melted butter, some vanilla, and we're going to stir this up and combine all this together. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. And then we'll incorporate this all together. Incorporate it until you can't see any more flour. We don't want to overmix it, otherwise the muffins will be quite dense. Now we'll add this to our greased muffin tin. These make 12 good-sized muffins. Now we're going to do the cream cheese filling. So we'll add a package of softened cream cheese, some powdered sugar, some flour, a pinch of salt. And I'm just going to use a fork to combine this all together. It does get softened as you just keep mixing it together. You could probably use a hand mixer if you like. Now once this is all mixed, we're going to add it either into a piping bag or, as I'm using, a Ziploc bag. You'll cut the tip off of your Ziploc bag. And then we're going to fill our muffins. I just make a little bit of a hole with the back of a spoon or fork just to start the filling inside that. And then we're just going to squeeze about 1 to 2 tablespoons of filling into each muffin. You could add less if you want. Then we'll bake this at 350 for 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Enjoy! If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.